Labor Day pool time. Hi, Aiden. Uh-oh, not happy.
Aiden. Ava, hi. 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 Hi.
That's alright, let her climb a little.
Mr. Aiden. Mr. Aiden.
Hi, Ava.
Hi, Mr. Aiden. Aiden. Look at this.
Hi, Eva. You always want to climb.
Yes, cup of tea. Cup of tea. Hi, having fun. Get out of your brother's face. Good boy, Aiden. Good boy. Your toys? You want to get your toys? You're having fun. You're having fun. You're the ducky. The ducky doesn't squeak. The ducky doesn't squeak.
Hi, Eva. Peekaboo.
Good boy, Aiden. Good boy. Don't sit on your brother's bed.
You guys enjoying Labor Day? Ava, you like splashing.
And now you're gonna start climbing?
Uh-oh, both babies wanting to climb out.
No, that's the grass. We'll save that for later, Aiden.
Hi, Aiden. You want to climb a little bit? Good boy. Oh, your sister's splashing away. Uh-oh, both crawling. Hi, Eva. The best. Hi, Aiden. Skinny Marinka Dinkadoo. Skinny Marinka Doo. I love you.
That big drool.
Okay, yeah, sit back, sit back, sit back. Yay, here you go. Aiden.
Cup of tea? Cup of tea?
Ava. Ava.
Ava! None of these squeak.
Good girl.
Hi, Aiden.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Aiden.
Put him back in the pool so he can play with the toys.
He is in the pool.
No, like scoot him back.
Oh.
Here you go. There you go. He can't splash when he's on the edge. Ava. Hi, Aiden. He's a little sleepy. You can tell he's sleepy.
Yeah.
It's almost nap time.
Oh,
Oh! Hi, Eva. Good girl.
okay.
Skinny Marine. Marika Dinka Doo. Skinny Marika Doo.